Welcome to State of Tech. Here's an application for your iPhone as well as your iPad and Android devices called izi.TRAVEL. Open up izi.TRAVEL. It brings us into the main Explore menu where we can see featured tours based upon our current location. So it's pulling in my location here, and you see I have this nice tour of San Francisco Heights. And if I tap on there, it's going to load in this tab and show me an overview of this tour. I can change my language right here on the top of the screen. So right now I'm in English, and if there were other source languages I can choose from that. I can add this to my bookmarks, and I could download the tour to my device so it's not using any data when I'm outside of a Wi-Fi network. Swiping down, I can see all the other detailed information of the tour, and I can also view the content of the tour, and tapping on any one of these pieces of content will show me the actual information for that. So here's the information for this specific piece of content. I can listen to the audio, and I can show it on the map. Now if I come back out to the Explore tab, we'll go ahead and come back out here. I'm currently in my current location. If I tap in all regions, I'll be able to either search for what's around me, or I can actually search for something specific. So if I wanted to go to, say, Barcelona, all I would do is have to type that in here. You see as I type, it starts showing me different search results, and I'll tap on the region I'd like to go to. So now that I'm here, I can tap on a tour here, and we can see this detailed information. We see there's a review here. If I tap on the language, this one has a few different languages that I can select from to choose for my tour. Swipe down, I can open up the tour map, which is going to show me, based upon the map, where all these points of interest are. Tapping on one, I can see what it is, and tap on the actual name will bring me into that point where I can see the detailed information. I can listen to the audio, and then I can show this on the map. And notice with each one of these different points of interest, I can also like it on Facebook so I can share it with my friends and family so they can either know where I'm going, or they can also explore that area with me. Tapping in the top right hand corner will open up the share menu where I can actually share this with AirDrop, all of my favorite applications, and then add it to my reading list or copy it. We'll come back out to the main menu. Outside of the Explore tab, if we open up the side menu, we have our editor's choice, which is going to be feature tours based upon the editors. Tap on one of these and it's going to be the same basic format. We have all of our information. We have our content, which is going to show us the points of interest. Tapping on the points of interest will show us that. We can go ahead and come back out. Open up this menu again. We have our bookmarks. This will show me any tours that I've bookmarked, which I can quickly jump back into and go ahead and view those. The history will show me any of the tours that I've seen and any points of interest that I happen to check out while I was inside of a tour, and I can go ahead and come back in here and I can search through that as well. A QR code reader will open up my camera, so when I'm in the actual museum, I have the Explore mode. I can go and scan this QR code and find the detailed information that's inside that code. Any downloads that I have, I can manage my downloads in the Downloads tab. So here are some tours that I've currently downloaded. And if I tap on any one of these, I can go ahead and listen to the audio that's associated with that tour. If we've purchased any one of the advanced tours, we can tap on the Purchase tab, and we can see these purchased history here in this section. Help and feedback, we can go ahead and get feedback, review on the App Store, share with our friends, and like them on all the different social medias. And in the settings, we have a few different settings where we can change our default language. Use ear speaker, which whenever the audio is played, we'll have to hold our device up to our ear for it to be heard. We can add in a passcode to the app, so whenever we open up izi.TRAVEL, we'll have to enter in a passcode to open it. And then we have all of our basic information down at the bottom. One last quick tip is to come back into the Explore tab, and if we tap on the map, we'll be able to explore regions. And whenever we tap on one, say for Brazil, for example, tap there, and if I tap on the information button on the side of the actual country, it'll give me some detailed information, such as things to look out for. And as we see here, it's loaded up this wiki page. And if I tap on the top right hand corner, it's going to give me the contents, and I can see a bunch of different information that I might find interesting when I'm planning my vacation or journey here to this specific area. So come in here in this contents page in each specific section before you actually plan your trip. So once again, this application is called izi.TRAVEL. If you like it, be sure and pick it up in the App Store for your iPhone or iPad and in the Google Play Store for your Android devices.